covers. Some people they always think say things they go on, but nothing. Now I like our.
You not take them.
No, but bros. Now what? Now the only time we will sit down, we will get our private time. Private time where we gist. And they say the camera they catch some kind of things, but we they code them when we gist. And so many people don't put eye for our body. But I don't know whether they watch that part where I come out the blanket say, oh, but me hit no keep me, may not be like saying they do things on that.
I feel that time when you come up and not be the time where T-Boss don't put somebody for problem.
T-Boss always put people.
No, wait, you know, you get it that way. T-Boss put Kebe for problem. I know they say that evening or the next day when this your Bisola come near you, you.
Man, don't tell us how to play tape. I beg, I not do.
Yeah, the way you take squeeze come up body.
No, because even that day when maybe they rub the girl body, I be they sleep. I wake up, I say maybe I dream, because I see when the girl come up clothes and the guy they massage.
Yeah.
So when I wake up in the morning, I say, me no bless a dream. Guy, you rub this girl back plain. He say yes. I say, okay, I just want just know. Say that one happen.
Because like you now don't enjoy playing rubbing body this thing.
Well, actually,
no. Everything
is
no, but bros, my own matter for my own massage is different.
Okay.
I be dance artist, and
I know.
Since 2006, I had like a bad back injury.
Okay.
So like all these soft bed and stuff, you know, they go well for me. So if I don't too stay, like, I go beg me somebody help me just.
So you not just be Bisola.
No.
Because you know what? For they know you from Musa Center, I beg you.
Yes, so.
Yes, now not be. That's when I tell people say, this one that old Congo me too. Wait, but when you hear that, if I call the soft, they give a year, I say, I'm a Tony begin. That's how for Beggy. What would they do? It was open mic.
I see.
You understand me?
Yeah,
but Baba, as I talk to you presently, so people they fear you, they lie. If you, I'm not going to tell you my guy. I may have theater artist like you. I know how they go. Not be say I may have married myself. No, I don't know whether I can get friend. But my point, I say, my point majorly, I say, you just tell us now. You just want to say when Bisola come. You say when we go come out from the house. Now we go know anything might happen after that. That statement exactly. You just talk and for
Mark
statement. So you don't agree.
The truth be say before now,
by the grace of
me I be fan of Bisola. Because I got to know Bisola's handle on Instagram through a friend who said you can learn from everybody and say okay. So when I see her for the house, I tell her who I say you for me now you be my competition for this house, and it good say we don't dey close so that I go feel learn a thing or two from you. So when I say we leave the house now work, me and she don't talk about projects, short film where she go like do and stuff. And most of the people for us, because I don't go like acting auditions, they never give me opportunity.
Yes.
Bisola don't tell me say she don't date guy before. Where she like when she find out say the guy dey younger, she na principle be that.
Yeah.
Say once the guy dey younger, forget nothing.
No wonder she they pursue, you know they pursue all those.
I don't know that one, bro. But
since that incident under that blanket, where people don't talk say she give you
like
small things. But he give you sha.
He not give me anything.
Tony, not they do this.
Tony.
I know they lie, I they tell you true. See bros, hold on. Shebi they talk about our bros before me. And they say the camera had the cash. If my move they bad, trust me now, they don't tell us. If my move they bad, they don't make that.
But that one are consent now.
No, bros, leave content.
That one is a collaborative effort from both of you.
I know.
Okay, now, so tribute now.
Yes, bro.
You tell millions of Lagosians who they listen to you now say nothing happened under that place. Because immediately after that particular time, from the next day, pictures come there everywhere, your wife, your kids. In fact, people come begin the vex. And we believe that's part of the reason why people don't really put the vex say, why you gonna do like this, what in the wife go think and all that. Some opinion come divided. Some say
Nigeria, we not they forget.
Some say maybe not because you agree make you collect the money, your wife agree. Some say your wife you know even agree make you do this level, make you go this level. You know, because everybody assumes say things happen under there, like you say nothing happen now. So I want me to talk to all those people who get different, because whether I like it or not, you don't know the celebrity now. You get fans, and any project you want to do, you still need fans to come cinema, watch your movie, do all that. So talk to all those people who don't get different picture of who think to talk to me. I like the first way you first talk. You say you and your wife get understanding before you go. Say when you play the game, remove her and the marriage from the whole thing.
Yes.
So I want me to talk to those people one more time, let them know say nothing happened that day. Any impression they get, try do damage control.
Okay. First is first. I want to say, if the way I play the game, you get to understand in that game. Because I not see any situation where somebody go through 25 million and if it's all of us go normal. Because everybody will come to the house will not carry anything come.
So only T-boss carry something.
The situation inside the house will make you play, and sometimes word they always they bring word will push you in some kind of direction. There were moments that did happen, you know, that you cannot control because you don't know what was coming. But I thank God, say, for every night before I sleep, I get that moment where I get to go look at my children picture. I get them from my bag. Nobody know. So now the only time I did make sure say I'm not they sleep close to anybody. Sometimes Bisola go say she wants to stay close. Sometimes I'll say I want to stay close. Me not look like say would they do one side to the other side. But most of the time I was always by myself. And even when it be like say I overdrink, I still get sense.
You not today, you don't
drink since you get so
you still very conscious of your action.
I still very conscious of my action. I love my wife very much, and I know they take my family play. And the truth be say, we as Nigerians we did very emotionally attached to almost everything. But I just want clear the air, so you not go look like say now so things happen. Whatever you saw, no happen.
No, don't hear him. No, nothing happen. No.
Nothing happen.
So Tall Tony say not do anything.
I'm usually not give him that one.
That's one of the talks. It not happen. Because
so
funny enough, we always laugh under the covers. We always laugh under the covers.
And the game now.
Okay, if you want to look at that kind of work, how long we stay under that place?
TTT.
Yes.
If Godwin and us baby believe you, me I decide not to believe.
They're plenty like that. They're plenty.
Some people they not still believe.
So what we go do?
I make it be green, white, green.
What we go do for you to
what we go do? We the family demons.
Okay,
we go gather.
Tony, if we get a few questions to ask you before we round up now.
Okay.
If you get, let's assume say you see the house now. If you get up with what you know now. What do you for do differently?
Differently, nothing. Down on to be honest, because even if you got to that point where you say you need to nominate people, and I nominated almost everybody because now game. So you can't allow sentiments come into it.
Yes.
As I want the money rich, now so the other person. So even in the first week, when everybody laid out their card, who them be, where did they come from? Suffer and suffer, bros. So you can't say this one passed this one.
So the moment when everybody laid their card, you just see everybody in the hustle like.
But all of us are the same. And then funny enough, in the fourth week, when they give us that plate of raw food to chop, that was the week I told myself, you know what, Makoko let them know say I don't do. But 5 people go before me, brother. They look inside that envelope. That means all of us get secret, not be just me. So I'm not going to say, I want to come outside say, because they get secret, so me, I go let man. No, if you go keep your own. So I just felt that. So I was not the only one forming holy. We'll be 10 that day. And all 10 of us, all of us now wish. So we'll go begin fly.
I can't wonder what to be this secret where everybody they keep. So dear like this way they will come eat this kind of thing.
As in the pack and give you. And you where they say see someone like T-boss now they do those she chop the thing.
She chop
so
that means what she said get.
Can't go they vomit.
They deceived me. T-boss lie say that before. He chop rubbish.
Okay, Tony.
Come with secrets.
Tony, I can answer this one. Who you think say get the best chance to win now from all those ways?
If I place my card, it will be on a lady, but I can't tell which lady. Because as I don't come out.
Because T-boss
if T-boss don't come out this week, now T-boss.
It be like she don't really go out now because I don't know she don't nominate her.
Say this kind of thing. I surprise you for now.
Yeah. Okay, so one of the.
Me, I just feel saying a babe.
Na babe go win.
I not feel saying a guy. Okay. Right now they look like saying a guy, but I feel saying because 3 weeks they enough to change anything. Even 1 hour.
Okay. What next for Triple T now?
For me, I have even before I enter inside the house, I already the plan 12 years. The things what I want to do. Now the platform now they look for. And thank God to DSTV. Thanks to Big Brother. Thank you to African Magic. Thank you to Payport, Go TV, and for the opportunity where they don't give me. So now to push my work. As bros don't talk now, we not thespian.
Yes.
With now also. We now hustle. So it not really matter to say I win the 25 million and still hustle. Because the 25 million not reach to do anything. He go come and he go go.
But it's not come out with 25 million, at least you come out with more publicity, popularity.
Yeah.
And so I go cash in on that.
And they know you as the blanket guy.
By the way, they say your eviction party go take place for no chill for Lekki this Friday.
So
and also
there's all
the other aspects there, all the gifties, Beyonce, they go perform self there, and also
Beyonce will performance and go cook.
You real. There's all of
them.
Wait,
let me ask you this question. You don't see your wife since you come out?
No, we'll never see, but we don't.
But she did watch. You know that she did watch.
The show. She always did watch. Right now, I'm very sure say she did on air now. She did
listen to what
we listen to us.
Wait, so you ask
your mama do correct rep for you. That way.
Oh, una pin and down.
They can't do turn and they don't see pin and down.
Because I know say if you reach as their wife will ask where you not they go
anywhere. Name me go ground.
No. Your mama don't help you do all the damage control. If you don't see your mama, go dig way for her. Go knee dance.
My mama, I don't even feel my imagine. My mother did my house. She not know say how they go. She did my house. She returned. I still did. I just now from the show now they say I beg go make people pass message tell my mama say I dey here. She not know anything.
Anyway, now money runs today inside Naija FM 102.7. We get Triple T from Big Brother Naija inside the house. Now, the latest big T. Yes, you don't manage clear things, but I don't say that one. Now I want to fire Twitter down. Now I want to fire social media now. Don't say talk, don't say not talk. You believe, you not believe, the guy they move on to the next level. Yes, Big Brother don't come, he don't pass. On to the next. The hustle continues because it's real. Okay, so let person day your own lane of hustle. You face your own, so face your own. But TTT, final words from me particularly.
I hear you.
Just make sure you hold your home front tight.
Thank you.
You know, no matter what, because the hustle take you to BBB, and then you hustle for at the end of the day.
Because even in game where you fight, where you just say that you're getting everybody they cry now. He chop another boy lips, rock the boy. You don't even know how they take self. On my own, in a dumb shell. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Oh boy, your day ass. Your folks.
Okay, now who?
Whole story.
Now who and waiting you go mix parts for the house.
In the house,
who in terms of the people
as in
and
the individual,
waiting in terms of the entire setting.
I would say I would miss. The honest truth is I would miss Bisola the most because we the gist, we always they connect and we they talk about ideas, work we want to. The other day we sit down, we write, we map out stuff that we would like to do once the project is over. What I will miss in the house is the task and to be able to know how to work.
Because it always win, it always win plenty tasks.
And Ross no, see, our work will not play with her because now there. The whole idea now to let people know waiting this guy fit do. Like I said, me and my wife would already talk that one. Let them know you for what you can do. Because now waiting around the hustle since bros.
That's why you the character, the way you like come out and you understand. That's the ability to be able to manage the show, you as father, Bisola as love. What do we that?
love. The papa will really fit you well with that.
No, nice one.
Just tell everybody, in case those who don't know, all your social media handles.
Okay. To everyone, I would say follow me on Instagram at Tall Tony. Twitter, same name, Tall Tony. Facebook, I think I did that, Tall Tony. But that's as much social media that I have. Okay. And if I'm allowed to also say thank you again to thank you to MultiChoice, thank you to Payport, thank you to Big Brother himself for giving me the platform, thank you to African Magic, thank you to GoTV, and you guys are amazing. God bless you.
Make I ask this your chairman they bring this inhibition party, is it open to all? Okay.
It is open to all.
Tall Tony inhibition party go happen for no chill for Lekki this Friday. Other housemates go there, Gifty, Soma, Beyonce, and Uriel. All of them go there for the party and they go perform live and direct. So if you want to see them, go no chill for Lekki this Friday. Which time? In the evening. Yes, from 9 o'clock in the evening. All right. Thank you, Tall Tony.
Thank you so much.
You know they come out for that studio now.
Yes,
of course, time knowledge for tinkling you. BC down there to let you know the shock story there. We don't break inside Nigeria and outside the country.